Good afternoon everyone. I am Sister Libby, Principal of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan. Today is not just about showcasing our students' robotics projects, about understanding why robotics is so important for the next generation. Technology is changing the world at lightning speed. Robotics is at the heart of this change, from healthcare to space exploration.
I am Riddhi Somanjana,
Iva Maria Majo,
Aradhya Binoy,
Kavyanjali Sajish Menon.
We are from 4A and we are students in Nagle Vidhya Bhavan. Today we are going to create a simple project, LED blinking with Arduino Uno. The project involves connecting an LED to an Arduino board and programming it to blink on and off at regular intervals.
Here we are using the components Arduino board, the brain of the project that controls the LED. LED, the output device that blinks on and off.
How it works: the Arduino board is connected to program the LED. The LED is programmed to a digital pen to control the Arduino board.
In real life, this project is applied in traffic signals, toys and gadgets.
Hi, I'm Jeena. I'm the computer teacher of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan Kanjoor. We know that the future world is a world of robots. Robots are going to assist in our daily life, so we should prepare our children for the future by developing robotic things. As you all know, our school is providing robotics training for our children. We are using a platform called Cybersquare for this. It's a wonderful platform for our kids for improving their talent in science and technology. They can develop their problem-solving skills, critical thinking, innovation and creativity. It also helps improve teamwork and communication. Currently, our students are developing web pages, games and robotic cars.
By learning robotics, our students develop problem solving, creativity and teamwork skills that will help them succeed in any field. Here, we believe education should prepare children for life, not just for exams. We started our robotics partnership with the Cybersquare last year. Their classes have encouraged our students to think critically, adapt to change and embrace innovations. This year, our students are participating in tech talks and robotics competitions in multiple inter-school digital fest. I thank Cybersquare for their partnership, our teachers for their dedication and our students for their enthusiasm. Together, we are building a future-ready generation. Thank you.